Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're on the 5th amenity floor, and wow, this is quite extensive. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a really quick walkthrough so you can see a lot of the amenities, and then we'll do one or two detailed walkthroughs too, because there's a lot to see here. So let's start with going to the left. Over here, we just see some really nice rooms that are private offices that you can grab. Really nice. Over there to the right is the pool area. So that's over there as well. The Red Bud room, very cool. We've got some more rooms over here. The Cypress Club, that's the fitness center. And then you've got some restrooms and things like that over here. And then over here, we're going to walk back to where we were, but there is a beautiful lounge area that's here too. Really pretty lounge. We're passing by the pool again. And so in the lounge area, just simply gorgeous. I mean, every part of this building is amazing. So we're going into the lounge area and we're looking at it, and just love the kind of details that we see here. This is just beautiful.